I'm trying to figure out. I'm looking at these lights, yeah? And I was trying to figure out what their purpose. Because they're not serving any purpose.
Yeah, so you turn them off. This will go off and then bounce.
You can see them, every light is...
Yeah, every light is...
And who is this? Who is this? Taz Pro Media.
Who?
Taz.
Who?
Taz.
Where?
And we have mommy here. enjoying the special watching.
So how are we going?
Left. This way.
Like yeah.
Listen. I'm gonna use the sat nav.
What?
You're gonna use what?
The sat nav.
Device again. They'll arrest you.
Hey. Listen.
What happened? What happened? Okay, so actually, what happened? Taz, what happened?
People.
What happened?
You know what? I've had some experience here in Ghana.
Okay.
I was actually driving to come and meet these guys in Accra, and while I was coming, I was checking to see where on the sat nav to see where I was going.
Right.
This right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I was checking to see where I was going, but there was an accident on the highway.
Really?
So yeah, so it made obviously the traffic slow down. So I was passing the police. There were some police officers, you know, at the side of the road. And as I was passing, the police says, hey. So I'm thinking, what happened?
Yeah.
I'm thinking, what happened? Then I see him running.
Let's go straight.
Yeah?
Yeah, straight.
So he's doing this. So I drive all the way down the road and stop. Then I see this man running, coming. Hey. So I'm thinking,
I see you have done something.
yeah, so I'm thinking, I still didn't have an idea what was.
You don't get it right.
So when I stopped, the man came up and he go, hey, Charlie, I'm arresting you.
For what?
I said, for what? So I still have the phone in my hand.
You still have your crime.
I still have the evidence. So he said, you're driving. You have the device in your hand.
Oh.
And you have one hand on the wheel. So I said, officer, so this is what this is about. He said, I'm arresting you. You're going to jail. I'm arresting you. So,
oh my God.
So I was sitting in the car confused. I'm thinking, so this excitement because I have this.
Yeah.
I see police officers driving like this with their phone.
Yeah.
You know?
They do. In fact, in Ghana,
I see them driving.
Is there. They do.
And I said, okay, I won't make no fuss. I just keep quiet. And this man called, I see calling the whole police force because there was more of them up there.
So him alone couldn't arrest you. He's calling other people.
He's calling more. Hey, come, brah. So I see the next one come. But that one looked like he's a senior.
Okay.
So he came and he said, oh, Charlie, he said to me, oh, why? So I said, why what? He said you have your device. I said, I was looking for somewhere. I was trying to find somewhere. It's a sat nav. He said, but you need to pull over. Arrest him. he said, arrest him. So then remember the senior come and said, arrest him. Then the other guy, the one that caused the commotion, he said to me, I'm arresting you. I said, how many times?
You go right.
I said, how many times you gonna say you arrest me? All right, fine. So I figure more or less they were trying to frighten me.
All right.
Yeah. I figure more or less they were trying to play this mind game. Oh, I'm arresting you, so I'm supposed to get frightened. So I sat there calm. And he was looking at me to see there was no reaction. So I said, okay, fine. Then he said, the senior one said, go with him, telling me to go with the other police.
To the station?
Yeah. He said, I'm taking the police station. I said, okay, fine. So I'm going into my car now. I said, the man trying to open the other door. I said, where you going? He said, I'm coming with you. So I said, hold on.
He doesn't have a car.
You arresting me, so I must bring you in.
The one arresting you is going with you.
Going with me. I say, you're mad. So the next one said, oh, just go. He said to me, shh, go straight, yeah?
Yeah, straight.
He said, shh, just go. So I went.
So he still entered your car?
Yeah, he sat there. And he sat there and he said to me, he said, oh, where you coming from? I said, my house. He said, where is that? I told him, he said, but you can't drive one hand. I said, listen, officer, you already told me that. You already tell me all of that. So we're going to the station now, so no problem.
Yeah.
So for the whole time you were talking, you think I was gonna
give
him some money, because I figure more or less that's what it's about.
That's the main reason why he wanted to take you to the station. So
I didn't say anything about money. I keep quiet for the whole time because they done this in Jamaica. They straight, yeah?
Yeah, straight.
They do this kind of stuff in Jamaica. Come with intimidation, and then you're gonna come up your pocket and pay. So I understand all that garbage.
Yeah, it's an African spirit.
Yeah. So for the whole time before I even get inside the station, he keeps saying to me, I'm arresting you. I said, no.
You're already arrested.
Yeah. I said, I know. And even when I'm turning, this boy laughing at me. This boy.
Oh, you're going to draw that. You're joke.
He said, I'm arresting you. So I said, okay. As soon as we're going inside the police, where the police station is.
Yeah.
He said, he looked at me and said, Charlie, you better help yourself. I'm arresting you. I said, officer, how many times you gonna tell me the same thing?
Yeah.
So we're going inside the police yard.
Arresting you means big money. I'm arresting you.
He keep reminding, because he probably think this guy.
I'm arresting you.
Yeah, that's what he's trying to say.
Yeah.
Hey,
no.
do you think?
Then he realized that no, this guy is very difficult.
But I'm arresting.
Because if they take you to the station, there will be a lot of investigations.
Yeah.
And then the next time, like they told you, they will take you to court.
Yeah.
And then the court too. I mean, this is nothing.
Yeah, exactly. But he keep reminding me, hey, I'm arresting you.
You know that I'm arresting you.
So pay. So do something.
I ain't paying
Don't
nothing.
you know that I'm arresting you?
Yeah, he's reminding
to remind you.
Yeah, you're arresting me. So the funny thing is, I didn't even say nothing. Go inside the police station. He said to me, so I lock up the car. Then I went inside. So he said, hey, he said to the woman in the language, I could hear him say, hey, this one, I'm arresting this one.
That's two.
Yeah, this one, arresting this one. This one, the device. He's using device and not driving well. So I said to the woman, so why you're doing that? So I said, listen, madam, I'm trying to find somewhere. I'm not from around here. I don't know where I'm going. I'm trying to find somewhere. She said, yeah, but then she sent me to someone else. Then when I go there, the same woman asked me something. So they sent me back to where I was. Then I see the same man. The man said, hey, asking about court date. Asking about court date, you know.
Yeah.
Say, oh, Tuesday. You go to court Tuesday. I said, okay, fine. So the woman looked at me and said, oh, you want to go to court? I said,
and they have not taken statement of
nothing.
You. They have not taken statement, but they say you are going to court Tuesday.
I'm going to court
Tuesday. How do you go to court Tuesday without statement?
She said to me, you going to court Tuesday? I said, okay, fine. Then she said to me, you want to go to court? I said, listen, you're the police. You're the police. She said, oh, I'm your sister. I'm your sister. I said,
no,
well.
Right.
Yeah, come on.
One way. Right.
Okay.
Hey, Ima, this boy.
I told you should come to the back.
It's true. Why are you at the front?
Yes.
Ima.
You don't go anywhere. I sit at the front.
Because I'm arresting you.
The woman said, you want to go to court?
And then you go left.
She said, you here, yeah?
Yeah, left.
Say, you want to go to court? So I said, you're the police. So why you ask me if I want to go to court? She said, oh, well, you need to help yourself.
How?
So I didn't say nothing. She said, you didn't hear me? I said, yeah, I heard you. You say I want to go. No, you need to help yourself. So I said, go back.
They are forcing you to help yourself.
Help myself.
You have to help yourself by force.
Yes. So I went back. They said to me to go back to the first woman again. So I went back there and the woman said, hey, you have to come to court Thursday or Tuesday. I said, I can't come to court all the way. She said, all right, I tell you what, you go where you're going and come back with your decision, what you decide to do. So they have my driver's license. I said, I ain't leaving. I said, if I leave here, I ain't coming back. So we need to resolve this now. Left, yeah?
Yeah.
I said, we need to resolve this now. Then the woman said, hey, well, help yourself. Then the same man the police,
Yeah, the one who brought you to the station.
No, the senior one that tell him to take him, arrest him.
Okay.
He come and say, hey, Charlie, I came here because of you. I was worried. So I came here, I know you're here, so they will free you. But help yourself. So I had the money in my hand.
How much?
When he came,
how much did you have on
100 Ghana.
Oh, okay.
But that's the only money I had in my pocket.
So you have to write me straight, okay.
So I had 100 Ghana in my hand.
Okay.
So I said, all right, I'm gonna give this woman, because I have this video shoot that we're doing.
Sure.
That I don't need to be in no police station. So I know what they want. So I said, you know what?
Okay, so keep right.
I wasn't gonna give them no money, but I said, you know what? My car outside with all my video equipment. So I say, you know what? I know these people, they're criminal.
Yeah.
So I just say, you know what? Let me just give them something and leave this place.
Okay, keep right.
Turn it right, yeah?
Yeah.
So as soon as the man, the senior, came in, I had the money already in my hand. So he looked at me and he looked at the woman and he said, are you gonna help yourself? He pointed to her, like he said, he's telling me, are you gonna help yourself?
Yeah.
So I didn't say anything. So he said, I came because of you, because I know you was here. So I said, okay. Because the first woman that was asking me, oh, if she speak to me in Fanti or English. I said, I don't know anything about Fanti or Tree. I speak English. She said, oh, are you not Ghanaian? I said, no. Hey, so where you from? I said, it doesn't matter. So the guy said, oh, when he see me with the 100 CD in my hand, he said, you need to help yourself, help yourself, and then walk out. He pointed at the money and said to her, help yourself, you need to help yourself.
That's all they wanted.
Help yourself. So I said to myself, why all of this? I mean, if the guy stopped me and say, listen, I catch you, have your phone in your hand, whatever you use, using sat nav or not. Because even when the guy catch me, and I said, officer, I caught you. Hey! So I said, officer, you're arrested. I'm arresting you. I caught you. So I said, so what's the excitement? What's all this? I say you're acting, even when you come in the car, I say you're
acting. The one about
yeah. I say you're acting like I killed somebody. He said you could kill somebody. I said, man, just for a little money. They take 100 CD out of my pocket.
Okay, so what's your view on that?
I am watching because you have arrested somebody. No statement. You have not taken the person's statement. You say the person is going to court on Tuesday. What about that?
What is your
and you see, this is really serious. It happened 6th March on the Independence Day.
Yes.
We are celebrating 65th Independence Day, and police are still robbing people on their broad daylight.
Hey.
You see, at least tell the person, speak to the person, oh, true. My brother, it is not good to be driving whilst using phone. We all know it's not good. We all know everywhere you go, it is not good to drive whilst you're using phone.
True.
So you advise the person, especially when you realize that the person is not even from your country, he's a foreigner.
And then you're using a Google map.
And he's using a Google map. You advise the person what to do, and you take him to the station, and then you take money from him, and you allow him to go. What if, as soon as he left, okay, so let me ask, did they advise you what to do next? After taking the money?
The woman said to me, make sure you can go, but don't repeat it again. she said, make sure you don't repeat it. Don't go back out there and drive looking at the Google map.
So you see, it's really terrible. This is what most of us are facing. Even we, the citizens, we face some of these things. Most of the drivers, I don't know what is wrong with our police. Every bus stop you get, they take money. Meanwhile, the president have stopped us from paying toll, right?
Yeah.
We don't pay toll anymore. But these police are finding a way of getting the toll from us.
That's true.
And it's
true.
It's really terrible.
It's bad.
It's really terrible.
It's bad for real.
Yeah, but it's a nice experience for you.
Yeah. Because this man.
Because you are arrested. He's arresting you.
The man said, I said, officer, he said, I caught you, I'm arresting you.
I swear.
I said, you know what? If a policeman, this way.
Yeah, so let's find a place.
If a policeman tell me that in the UK or in the US or even in Jamaica, I'll be dead. Because I know this is serious.
Yeah.
But the way this guy, he said, Charlie, it doesn't matter what you say, I'm arresting you.
He's arresting you.
I'm arrested.
You are arrested to pay 100 Ghana.
Hey, you're free after 100 Ghana.
You are free after 100 Ghana. Yeah? You pay 100 Ghana on the Independence Day.
Yeah.
For something that they could just allow you to live.
Yeah.
Anyways, so
but
this is a story.
The thing is, right, just before you go, the thing is, if he said to me there and then, he said, listen, Charlie, this, like you said, warn me, and say, you know what, for that, give me something. Help yourself now. I wouldn't mind, but it's the fact you bring me to the police station to show you they're corrupt. There, because they're doing the same thing.
Of course.
Let's find some Christian party.
Even at the station.
Even at the station, they already